No connection. Connect to the internet now or set it up later at settings, network, check connection. All right, so this is a Roku TV, and if you're getting this error, it's probably just the connection issue with your internet. So my particular one is down, the internet's down. So what you can do, there's the router and the Wi-Fi, but mine's connected actually directly to Ethernet. So what you can do is check another device. So for example, I can ask Alexa over there, ask her a question, and then if she says internet not responding, then you know the issue is not with your Roku TV. The issue is just the internet in general with your router. So one thing you can do is just wait a few minutes and it may come on. Usually it will. Or what you can do is do a few things. You can unplug the router from the wall, or just unplug the power cord from the not only the internet router but also a Wi-Fi router if you have it. And then you can unplug the TV from the back of the wall. So as you can see here, the plug-in is right here. You can unplug it and give it about 10 minutes. Plug everything back in, give it time for the internet to be able to connect, and then see if you're able to get connection. A good chance is that you can. Now, if you've tried that, one thing you can also do is go into the search, or into the settings rather, in Roku TV. So I'm going to settings, and from here I want to go all the way down to system. And then from system, what I want to do is go to power. And then what I want to do is system restart. And so that's going to do a soft restart and reset, let it start back up, and then see if your internet works. All right, if you've tried that and it's still not working, one thing that I will do is the internet keeps going out. I will actually unplug so I have the internet coming in from here, from the wall with a coaxial cable. I'll actually unplug that sometimes and it'll get to work. But it could be an issue with an outage in your city or your town. And one thing you could do is go on your smartphone and call an 800 number and see if the internet's down in general. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.